You finally made it. A pleasure to meet you. My name is Hector Diaz, doctor. I'm the administrative director of this hospital. I must say I was a bit surprised to see your application. I mean, it's not every day we get someone like you down here. Your resume is extraordinary. Would you like a cup of tea? Well, you graduated at the top of your class from Harvard Medical, spent several semesters in internships, so I assume you have quite some practical experience that will help you a lot down here. I think, not that I would like to turn you away, but I think you might be a little overqualified for this position. I mean, you all right? It's just an old building, don't worry. Well, we would be happy to have you, but I'm just curious what would persuade you to work in a hospital like this one? I mean, it is quite different from what you know in your studies and your internships. This isn't regular work. Oh, you're right. You seem a little nervous. You sure you don't want any tea? Well, as I was saying, this hospital is a little different from those you might have worked at. It's not just there to treat people. It's a research facility as well, and the work we do here is extremely challenging. Not that I have any doubt, but I just need to make sure you're up for that. Are you sure you're all right? Are you sure you don't want any tea either? I think it will be good for your nerves. Well, anyway, if there's anyone I would trust with a task like this, it would be someone with a resume like yours. I mean, drink the tea. Well, as I said, I have absolute trust in your abilities. It's just that the pressure workers experience here is immense. And, well, I'm sure you've dealt with this before, but responsibility is a topic as well, because well, our staff might not always be capable to save someone's life. And if it comes down to it, the question is raised of how responsible you are, and we've had issues in the past with doctors blaming themselves for some accidents that we've had. Are you okay? It's quite a strong cough there. Get Dr. Jason to administer 200 mils. Create a file for subject 5465. Subject showed fast reaction to the tea. Dosage too high. We will perform surgery on Saturday at 5 p.m. And I will do it myself. Prepare all the instruments and bring the injection. Oh my God, are you okay? Are you okay? You just passed out. You just passed out right here on my mahogany desk. Are you allergic to anything? Did you have anything? I mean, even though I'm a head doctor, I was quite surprised to see you pass out. I didn't exactly know what to do. Are you okay? Are you sure? Okay, well, Obviously, I don't expect you to continue with this interview today, but I would love to carry on another day, if that's okay with you. How was Saturday, 5 p.m. sound? All right. I'll be looking forward to it. It was nice to meet you. Have a wonderful night.
I got